G'day guys, welcome back to Ninja Kyo. Gonna be playing some Ratchet and Clank for you now. You guys might be wondering why I'm playing children's games. It's kind of to show that at 24 years old you can still get enjoyment out of all kinds of games, and I still love these kind of games. I love Spyro, Ratchet and Clank. Sly Raccoon is something I'm planning on doing for you guys. I did do a episode, but it turned out really shit because I wasn't using the microphone, I think. But you know, there's no shame. You know, if you like it, you like it, and you know, no one else can tell you what to play. I mean, I play violent games. I play Dead Island. That's something that I'll be putting up very soon. If not, it might already be up, depending on the editing. But yeah, I don't have Kyo. I am Kyo. I don't have Ninja with me today because I'm at home. I think we're up to the laser facility and another planet, and we'll call it after that probably. About 20 minutes, hopefully. Anyway, guys, let's go. Let's get into it. Okay, that was a weird anomaly. I think what just happened, pardon me, is that my controller is on its way out. So happy joy. Yeah, the joystick was stuck on left, so left. Not drinking tonight. Tried to drink last night, but we were just too tired. Way too tired. We even scrapped the episode that we filmed.
The refractor will let you redirect laser beams.
It was a horror game.
Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser. Hold L1 and use the left analog stick to aim the beam.
The Evil Within, I think I played last night. And yeah, I was just too tired. It's too tired. Had 2 shots, one before the video, one during, or something like that, and it turned out dry. Very dry, not a lot of talking in it. Well, a little bit of talking was rubbish, in my opinion. So that's been scrapped. We're gonna do that again though. This level's more puzzles than anything. It's not even really puzzles, it's... Like I said, it is a kid's game. So it's super duper easy. You know, I can't even break a box with a laser beam. What the fuck? I can say that right. Let me just go in and check the controls. Why would they be inverted? Why? Who does this? What the fuck? Fucking sadist.
The refractor can reflect beam attacks at enemies. Just hold L1 to aim the reflected beams.
That's nice. And that is not my best impersonation of Mrs. Brown. I haven't warmed up for Mrs. Brown's impersonations. I think enemies are going to come running out at me. any other game would not be that forgiving. Just standing there selecting weapons. She'll be right, mate. I should play some Tasmanian Tiger. I should have done that instead of Ratchet and Clank. I think I've got 2 episodes of Ty. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. And this will be my 4th Ratchet and Clank. Oh, fuck if I know. My memory's not that good. This is cool, I like this. Ready? That's how you get people to walk upstairs, by the way. They did a study in Germany?
There should be a spider symbol somewhere in that room. Use the beam to lead the
I
spider
don't remember where it was. Anyway, it was in another country, obviously. And they replaced all of the stairs with musical, like it looked like a piano. And heaps of people used it. It went from like 10% of people using the stairs to like 70% or something ridiculous like that. Follow me, everything is alright. I'll be a spider that'll tuck you in at night. That doesn't make sense. The spider was following me, not vice versa. I need gravity. Or magnetic boots. Magnetic boots or gravity boots, depending on what they've got in this game. There we go, that's what I was waiting for. I have this weird thing about trying to level all the weapons up at the same time. I have no idea why. I should have played the first one. I really should have. I love the first one. There's not as many gadgets, not as many weapons, but it's still a brilliant game. I love it. Asshole. There's the button. It's actually kind of annoying how very little action is happening in this level. I mean, I'm enjoying playing it, but you guys, I don't know. I find it important that I'm entertaining you guys, but at the same time, the main thing is that I'm entertaining myself. And pretending I have an audience, which is awesome. If I don't have an audience, it doesn't matter. When I play SingStar, I always pretend that I have an audience. And I know what you're thinking. How could he be any good at SingStar?
Hey,
I've
look,
heard him
it's
sing.
Al. Got the shields
Well,
up
I
yet?
get 9,000 on a
Silence.
lot of songs.
I am
I get the
concentrating.
SingStar, the highest
What the? That's a
recommendation thing.
Quark vid comic.
Excuse me.
What is
It is
fucking
a
idiot?
historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
It's quite
Simple.
easy, actually.
I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed the graphic subprocessor.
Not how.
No, I mean...
How?
Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible. I ran a recursive check from on the
Impossible.
signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback
There is a
loop.
feedback loop.
I don't know what happened.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
My bad.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Shield power restored.
You fucking Drago. You can't beat up the good guys in this. That's annoying. I could do all of these to get money, but why? Oh no, they're all the ones that I've already done. Already done all those. Come back later and do it off camera probably. For now, another planet. Alright, we're back on the Starship Phoenix, or the Phoenix Starship, whatever it is. We're gonna play a vid comic we just got off the Nerd Cunt.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
Yep, sits on his ass and plays video games. That's right, Mum, I'm a hero! Ooh, look at that ugly face. Mama, I just killed a
The
man.
real-life adventures of Captain Quark.
Put my
the greatest
nitro
superhero
blaster
the
against
galaxy
his
has ever
head.
known.
Hey,
Pull
this
my
thing on?
trigger, now he's intergalactic
Meticulously
space
reconstructed
waste.
by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball.
Trying to
In the
decide whether
early
to skip
days of
this
the
or
fifth
not.
Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Quark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Quark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this is a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right.
Robotic.
Now we begin the interactive portion of episode 1. Bully
Robotic
is
pirate
in the eye
ghost.
of the beholder.
Kinda glad I didn't skip it. Later on, these can be harder than the actual game itself.
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize. Bling bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
10 Quark tokens! I can 100% this one, but I don't think I've ever 100%ed all of them. Hey, come back. I love it. Oh, I don't have the blaster yet. That must come later. That's right, he gets a gun! How'd he miss? It was point blank with a sword. With a scimitar. Wait, why are they using scimitars? They're pirates. Correct me if I'm wrong about them being scimitars, but... I know a...
Old-timers say a giant robotic space eel haunts this ship. What a bunch of hoops. Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Oh, R1. There we go. Yeah, pirates use cutlasses. I'm pretty sure they're like very similar to a short sword or a broadsword, maybe similar to a broadsword, but not curved like that. I don't think that's accurate. Whew. Maybe I need to start going to lair after all. It's on a Tuesday night. It's the same night I normally film games. I think games are more important than life itself. 11 quark tokens to go. Missed, motherfucker. At least I know I didn't miss a red one. That's really frustrating. It's a red one they miss. Jesus Christ! I really wanted to do another level this episode, so it might be a little bit long. A titanium bolt! They're important. Sort of. I think. Maybe. We filmed Mega Man today. What a fucking frustrating game.
A nice juicy health upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
It's a good game, but it's frustrating as hell. Honky trucker. Beautiful. That's exactly how you're supposed to do it, right there. I am all that is man. With a gun. I don't remember that happening. It looks like he's pissed off for some reason. Are you pissed off with me? Are you mad at me? I know you wanted dinner, but I saw you try to poison my wine. That usually means you want to talk about something. That is my worst impression ever. And if you don't know what I was impersonating, I'm not even sure I want to tell you. Twisted.
I mean, I've worked on some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Ghost robots. I mean, what do they think? We're idiots?
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the Q. With great reluctance, Quark accepted a meager fee for his services and promptly donated the entire sum to the Quark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Quark.
I've got a big heart. Mr. President? Yes, I got the fruit basket, thanks.
$10 billion
Turns out I'm allergic
right
to prunes. Yeah, who knew? What? Blackwater City is under attack. Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
The exciting, all-true, right, adventures of Captain Quark continue in Episode 2.
It does get more ludicrous than robot, ninja, pirate, ghosts, whatever the fuck they were. But yeah, what I was quoting was Twisted, the untold story of a royal vizier. It's a college production, stage play, musical thing by Starkid Productions or something like that. And they're just amazing. They're amazing. They're so...
Well, who's that handsome devil?
It appears Quark has
They're
regained
so
his
worth
memory.
watching.
Hey, this
Musicals
dressing
are
room
long,
isn't fit
but
for
they're
a
worth
pig.
it.
What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. In the meantime, I've got a mission that's perfect for you two. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
I love that.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway, the device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation. Check it out.
Annihilation Nation's great.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we feature an all-new Death Course.
The Death Course. Death Course!
Let's meet tonight's victim. Oops, I mean
It's like
contestant, Fred.
the inspiration
Fred
behind
is a Gadgetron accountant who claims he once
the
had
next
a
Ratchet and
morpho
Clank
ray
game, which
go
I'm
off in his
pretty sure is
pants.
Gladiator.
What
and
a
get kidnapped
champ.
and forced
Let's
into
take a look
playing
at what he's up
similar
against.
games to this.
Doesn't look too bad now, does it? Good luck, Fred.
Just looking at my volume and shit.
Next.
Fred did
Another
not last
day,
long.
Another death course.
Another day, another death course. Annihilation Nation, here we come.
Are you ready to play? All right, let's meet our first contestant. He's an unemployed rocket mechanic who claims to have saved 2 galaxies, but most people know him as Secret Agent Clang's bumbling chauffeur. He hopes that disguising himself as a tyrannoid will make him more attractive to the ladies.
Hey,
Give a warm welcome to Ratchet! Ratchet will attempt to be the first contestant ever to survive the death course. Contestant number 1, are you ready?
bring it on.
Fucking got this, mate.
Oh man, this job is too much fun! Push the button to flip the side.
If you can blow up all the
To
cameras,
strafe, hold down L2 or R2 while running.
something special happens.
This little guy can really move.
How could any ordinary person do this?
This is gonna be exciting.
There are probably better weapons I could be using, but like I said, a little bit of OCD about what weapons I use. Ha! Ha! Hot! 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 Can't believe I fucking didn't die just
To
then.
center the camera, tap L1.
Like that. That does not sound good. Son of a bitch! Like all games, these get a lot harder.
Did you see that?
Jesus! I was not expecting that. Oh look, another video game. And
Here we go, folks. Arena combat.
Arena Combat!
Want it?
Oh yeah! This guy really knows his way around a pistol. My God, he'd be able to give Clint Eastwood a run for his money. Me and Jenny were like peas and carrots again. That one was actually a quote, yes.
Who's gonna clean up that mess? Not me, man.
Not me, man! So close to leveling this gun up. They're just gonna run short on ammunition.
Okay, folks, time to play Luck of the Draw. I'm now pulling a ticket stub out of my hat.
Fuck off.
Did somebody say Inferno?
Nobody said Inferno, but I'll take it anyway. One hit kill with a wrench is pretty cool. Oh, and invulnerability is also really awesome. There's a really hard one for these too, like where you gotta conserve. Yes! I did it! You gotta conserve ammunition. So it might be you're only allowed to use the blaster. My god, those are hard. You gotta get the bad guys to attack each other or stuff like that.
Audience member in seat number 326, get ready to try your luck.
Oh, really? Oh god, please not me!
How about that,
It
folks?
sounds like Black Sabbath song, I don't know.
I don't believe it, folks! He survived the death course! And here to give you your prize.
Oh
the
my god, it's
lovely
Courtney
Miss
Gears!
Courtney Gears!
Oh my god!
How about that, folks? He is better looking.
Cunt.
Do not be alarmed, Sasha. That is Ratchet.
Oh, I see you won the terror guys. It's very convincing. Anyway,
And for some reason, she
there's
just got
something I
very
think the two
wet.
of you need to see.
Work personal log, entry 101301. After I personally vanquished the Protopet menace and revamped the Megacorp testing facility, I decided to focus my efforts on protecting the endangered creatures of the Florana jungle. But when news arrived that Dr. Nefarious had again risen to power, I knew where my true destiny lay. The training necessary to get back into tip-top shape has been exhausting, and my mind overflows with brilliant concepts. Though I still yearn for the bittersweet stench of my simian
2
companions.
plus 2 is 4?
Time has come to resume my duties as the greatest hero the galaxy has ever known, Captain Quark!
He's such a roid junkie.
You're not gonna believe this, but the president put Quark in charge of the fight against Nefarious. Our new commander just called his first team meeting. You better get back to the
Pretty
Phoenix
sure
right away.
the president is named after, like,
I agree. This does not sound good.
is based on Bill Clinton by his voice, but he's as stupid as fucking Bush.
Come back anytime.
Alright,
to compete for cash
I'm gonna leave it
prizes.
there. Thanks all for watching. I'll probably do Ty the Tasmanian Tiger next, but it really doesn't matter because they all get released in fucking weird random orders. So there's no point really telling you what I'm doing. If you guys like any of our series, let us know. Comment on our videos, whatever, you know. We're dying to have feedback. Dying to have people watch the videos. That'd be cool. We don't have a lot of regular customers. But yeah, just check us out. Look at our other stuff. We've got some horror games and stuff coming up. See you guys later.